As you can see from the title, these are the cheapest earphone that you can grab on Amazon during this Great Indian Festival, and it comes with a sweet price of only 99 rupees. This is super cheap at this price point, and if you are interested in buying this, then I'll put the links in my description, so be sure to check out. But let's find out are they worth buying it. First thing, as you can see, the box is already open. It has to become with a seal box, but it's already open. And the sound quality is not the top priority here, honestly, at this price point. These are the 99 rupees earphone. I won't complain honestly if they are totally functional and convenient. And as you can see, this is the mic. We got also button which we can cut or reject the call or change the song. And also talking about the microphone, it works good like other earphone. I test microphone quality by calling, but one thing to note that is the voice is pretty very low. And the cable of this earphone is really nice and soft, made up with the rubber, but not that premium feel, but it's okay at this price point. Let's do a quick sound test. So let me just play the music and you get a sort of idea how this earphone sounds like. It sounds really good. We have to consider these are only 99 rupees. They sound better than other local market earphone, but the overall, the best quality is not that quite good as compared to other earphone, but at this price point, I can't complain. And this in-ear piece fits my ear perfectly, and talking about the comfortable, it's not that quite good experience. It didn't feel good in the ear. After listening for a couple of 2 to 3 hours, my ear started hurting. What I'm going to say is that at this price point of 99 rupees, this doesn't seem like a bad value at all, considering at the other earphone that sells at the local market that were around 200 to 300 rupees. However, they kind of suck. You can definitely know the difference. This is by far the most budget perfect earphone. So these are awesome cheapest earphone you should consider buying. So that's it. I hope this video found helpful, and please do like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next one. Peace.